We're taking a short ferry ride going to Guimaras. Ang ganito kalaki pala. Open na accommodation dito sa taas. Akyat siya. Oh, you can see the area. Better ang view here for passengers. Let us see. Ooh. The ferry will only take 15 minutes. Medyo mabilis. Area. This is for passengers. No? This is for passengers. This is very short na ferry. Inside they have also parang resto here. Nasa harap kami ng one of the last vehicle to board. Ito yung passenger na accommodation. Being the last will be the first, no? To take off. Daming vehicles. You pay 500 pesos for cars, SUVs. The City Mall Iloilo. Rami-rami din to, no? Ang sakyan. Going here. Dami din palang vehicles. Easily this mga 30 to 40 vehicles ang pwedeng sakay. Here tayo. Going here. Pasok tayo. So the last vehicle to board is the first vehicle to take off. Dito kami. Dito kami, first vehicle to board. Punuan ba? Parang jackpot talaga tayo. We're the last vehicle to board, first to take off. Galing. Kids. Hana, Kuya JR. The predictor of the Earth end of the world.
I can be seen.
Huh?
I can see.
Okay.